In this problem, it's given here that the sum and the product of three numbers that are in AP, that the sum is 27 and the product is 648. We need to obtain the three numbers. Let's begin. First, we will consider that, let's say, the first term is given by the letter A in lowercase and the common difference is given by the letter D in lowercase. And we will consider the three numbers as, and the three numbers are. Now, we will not start with A as the first term, but instead we'll consider A minus D, and this will be the term which is preceding the first term, that's A, and we'll consider that this is the first term, and A will become the second term, then A plus D. The reason why we are doing this, that's because since it's given that the sum of the three numbers is 27. That means the sum is 27 and we're going to add it. So we have A minus D added to A, and this will be added to A plus D, and this value is equals to 27. Now clearly we can see here that we get 3A and the negative D and positive D will cancel out. So we only have to solve for the value of A, or the first term. That means A will be equals to 9. So this is done. So we have immediately obtained the value of A when we consider the value, or when we consider the first term to be A minus D instead of starting with A. Next, it's given here that the product is equals to 648. So let's take the product. So we have A minus D. So this is multiplied to A, and this is multiplied to A plus D, and this value is equals to 648. Now we have A multiplied to A minus D times A plus D. So that's actually a factor of A squared minus D squared, which is equals to 648. Since we've already obtained the value of A, so we have 9 multiplied to A squared will be 81 minus D squared equals to 648. So we have 81 minus D squared, which is equals to 648 divided by 9. So 648 divided by 9. So this is going to give us a value. So we have 81 minus D squared equals to 72. So solving for D squared, we have D squared equals to 81 minus 72. The D squared is equals to 9, or D value is equals to plus or minus 3. So we have A value. So A value could be 9 and D value could be positive 3. Or we can have the other case where A value is positive 9 and D value is negative 3. So using these two, we will have to find out the value of A minus D, A and A plus D. So that's going to help us find out the three numbers. So we have A minus D. So that means 9 minus 3 will be 6. Then we have 9, and 9 plus 3 will be 12. Then in the next case, we have a minus of minus 3, so this will be 12. Then we have 9, and 9 minus 3 will be 6. We have two sets of numbers, 6, 9 and 12. So this is in AP. These three numbers are in AP. Also, the numbers 12, 9, 6, these are also in AP. And in both the two cases, we will see that the sum is going to be 27 and the product is going to be equals to 648.